Hey there, welcome back. In today's video, we're continuing our exploration of the Sellvia dashboard. This time, we'll be diving in to the Home and Reports sections. These two tabs go hand in hand. They both serve the same purpose, providing visibility into your store's performance. The Home tab provides a high-level snapshot, while the Reports tab offers the detailed metrics behind it. Together, they answer the question, what's going on with my store right now? Let's dive in and take a closer look. We'll start with the Home tab. This is the first page you'll see when you log into the dashboard. It's designed to give you a quick snapshot of your store's current status at a glance. At the top of the page, you'll find key metrics like total sales, available processing credits, total product count, and estimated business value. These numbers provide a high-level overview of how the store is performing without needing to dig into detailed analytics right away. Scroll a bit further down and you'll come across the First Steps checklist. This section walks you through the essential steps to set up and run your store. It lists each step clearly, allowing you to see which tasks you've completed and which ones are still pending. It's a great tool for staying organized and keeping track of everything you need to do in one place. Now, let's move on to the Reports tab. This section is all about performance data and tracking your store's progress over time. Here, you can view essential metrics, just like unique visitors, total orders, conversion rate, and average order value. The data is presented in a simple, easy-to-read format, so you don't need to deal with the complicated charts or complex tools to get insights that you need. This section is perfect for tracking trends and understanding how your store's traffic and sales are evolving. That's all for the Home and Reports sections. In the next video, we'll take a deeper look at the Orders section and show you how the fulfillment process works inside the Sellvia dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.